Economics. Good morning, dear students. I am Manju, your economics teacher. I welcome all of you to the world of economics. Today, we are going to discuss on the definitions of economics and branches of economics. Okay, let's begin. What is economics? Economics is a branch of social science. It is a branch of knowledge which concentrates on the study of the economic aspects of man in the society. There are different definitions for economics. The important definitions are wealth definition, welfare definition, scarcity definition, and growth definition. The wealth definition was given by Adam Smith. Welfare definition by Professor Alfred Marshall. Scarcity definition by Professor Lionel Robbins. And growth definition by Professor Samuelson. Then, what is wealth definition? The wealth definition was given by Adam Smith. Adam Smith is known as the father of economics. His famous book, An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of the Wealth of Nations, was published in 1773. According to Adam Smith, economics is the study of human wealth. Next one, welfare definition. According to Professor Alfred Marshall, economics is the study of human welfare. According to him, it is on the one side a study of wealth and on the other and more important side a part of the study of man. Next one, scarcity definition. Another important definition for economics was given by Professor Lionel Robbins. His definition is known as scarcity definition. According to Robbins, economics is a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means, which have alternative uses. Next one, growth definition. This definition was given by Professor Samuelson. This definition was based on growth aspects. He gives importance to the problem of distribution and consumption along with production. He includes time element in his definition. The branches of economics. The subject matter of economics has been divided into two parts: microeconomics and macroeconomics. Ragnar Frisch was the first to use the term micro and macro in economics in the year 1933. The term micro is derived from the Greek word mikros, meaning small, and the term macro is derived from the Greek word makros, meaning large. Thus, microeconomics is the study of individual economic units, while macroeconomics is related to the study of the economy as a whole. In microeconomics, we make a microscopic study of the economy. The wage of a particular type of labor and the price of a particular commodity are some of the fields of microeconomic theory. Microeconomic theory is classified into three broad categories: product pricing, factor pricing, and theory of economic welfare. Macroeconomics is the study of aggregates or averages covering the entire economy, such as total employment, the national income, and the general price level of the economy. Therefore, macroeconomics is also known as aggregative economics. It is also known as the theory of income and employment or income analysis. It is concerned with the problems of unemployment, economic fluctuations, inflation or deflation, international trade, and economic growth.